class, right?
Good morning, sir.
Morning. How are you, Shiraji? You are absent in last class.
So when?
On Wednesday.
Sir, I was there.
You are there. So what
Chapter
we
2.
discussed? What we discussed? Can you remember?
Yes, sir.
The question and chapter
Sir.
2
Yes. Chapter 2.
forces.
Okay. So today we will start forces, right?
Yes, sir.
We will
Yes,
start
sir.
motion graph. Which one?
Sir, force.
Force. You said
2.02.
you gave a homework.
Yeah, I gave you one homework. What homework?
Um, what? One be like
Yeah, 1B. Then anything else?
you say why is the actress being Dr.
Page
not usually
page
the same?
21, right?
Yes, sir.
From page 21. So I also gave you 2BCD, right? Hello.
Sir, I did all of them up to 7.
You did all of them, mashallah. Very good. So you have all the answers, right,
Yes, sir.
Shiraji? So you will discuss and share with us so that we can
Yes, sir.
also benefit it from your working and other students also. What about others? Rohan, did you try? Did you try the homework?
Sir, I tried.
Yeah. So which one you tried? Huh?
Sir, B.
B you tried. Okay. That means 1B you tried or 2B?
Sir, do all.
1B. Then 2B,
Yes, sir.
CD, did you try?
No, sir.
Why? Those are
Yes, sir,
also
I
easy.
tried. I tried, but I didn't write the answer, surely.
You should write it. Huh? On your copy you should write. Okay.
Sir, I'm
Then
also not sure about my answers.
it's okay. You are not sure. That's not the main thing. The main thing is you tried. Okay. If you can't do or if your one is wrong, that's I don't mind. But if you are not trying, that's the problem. If you try, at least
I couldn't do number 2.
okay, I will let you know. No problem. You can do. Who is that? Pongti.
Yes, sir.
Pongti. Then Ruhan, Ruhi, did you try? Adit.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I can do 1B.
Adit, you tried. Then Hassan Mohammad Sharia, did you try? Sadika, you had
Yes,
problem.
sir.
You had problem with network, right? So you check the recording,
Sir,
right?
I have watched the recordings.
So when you'll check it, huh? Today?
Sir, I have already checked them.
Okay, you check them. Then you did them, the homework.
Yes, sir.
Shadat, you also did.
Sir, I have tried, but I couldn't do some of them.
Okay. We only gave you some of them,
Yes, sir.
not
Like,
that much. So you tried, how you tried? 2A we did. So
yes, sir.
if we know how to do A, you can also do B, C. And
Yes,
using the similar technique, I mean not exactly same, but similar technique you can also do D, because you know how to rearrange, right?
Yes, sir.
How long does it take? That means you are going to time. If you know the way to rearrange the formula, then you can do also this one. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
for 1B, Shiraji, then Pongti, get ready for 1B. What is your answer?
Sir, 1A or B?
We did 1A, right? In class
Yes,
we
sir.
did 1A, so we will not discuss that one now. You miss the class, who missed the class, you check the recording, you'll get it. Now 1B we will discuss. 1B.
Sir, I think because it was not going in a steady speed.
Okay, why is the actual speed of a car not usually the same as its average speed? Your answer is correct. Any more idea? Any more idea, please?
Sir, my answer is very big.
Hmm? Again, 1B. Your answer is?
Sir, I wrote the actual speed of a car is not the same as its average speed because finding
Okay, Pongti, can you
the
write
distance
on
traveled
screen?
in the shortest time.
Pongti, on screen, can you write in text what you are saying?
I think that
You write by annotating. By annotating, you can write in text form. Hello? Pongti, can you write?
sir, I am writing in the chat.
Okay, chat. You are writing in chat. Okay, let me check what you wrote. Hmm, chat. Okay, still it's not coming.
Sir, should I send the attendance?
Yes, yes, sure. Thank you. Did you send the writing, Mukti? Shiraji,
Yes, sir.
Shiraji, you also write your one. Let Pongti write, you also write your one. And whoever you have your answer, you also write in chat. Quickly. So Pongti wrote,
I wrote in
yeah, I got it.
blue chat.
I got your one. The actual speed of a car is not usually the same as its average speed, because when finding the actual speed, you have to find the distance travel in the shortest time. Very good. Your answer is also correct. Look, we for the same question, sometimes we have different, answers, but both are correct or all are correct. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So whatever Pongti wrote, that's about the instantaneous speed. I'm writing the word. Pongti, you can also take this note. Instantaneous speed, the one you wrote, that is about instantaneous speed. Instantaneous. That means that's the speed for a moment, instantaneous speed. I'm writing also the meaning. Instantaneous speed means speed. Are you writing, everyone? From the chat you write. Speed
Yes, sir. Writing.
of a certain moment. All of you write. Please write it. It will help you to, broader, make your ideas broader. Okay. Certain
Yes, sir.
moment. So maybe you have one idea. That is the benefit of class. We are accumulating all the ideas. Your friend has some ideas. You have some idea. Your teacher is giving you idea, and all together we are increasing our bandwidth of knowledge. Okay. So I wrote here instantaneous speed. The one Punkti wrote, she wrote, you have to find the distance travel in the shortest time. That means you are finding the speed for a moment, right? A small period of time. That means for a certain moment. That is called instantaneous speed, speed of a certain moment. And Shiraji wrote, the car's actual speed is not the same as its average speed because it is not going in a steady speed. Very good. That means always the speed of the car is not
It's
same.
going up and down.
Yeah, it's going up and
Sometimes
down.
70, sometimes 80.
Yes, yes. Sometimes it's going for bigger value, sometimes it's going for a smaller value, right? Isn't it? Very good. Anyone, you have more ideas?
No, sir.
So, are you seeing the chat, everyone?
Sir.
Sir.
Yes, very good.
So,
So, you can also, uh, Wasif, Rohan, you can also take the snap of this chat. Like 1B, we got 3 answers and you can send it to the group. Is it possible?
Sir, I can send it.
Yeah, please do it so that they who are absent, they can also see it. And the people in the group, they can also get some idea about physics, right? Though,
Yes, sir.
though they are not teaching physics or learning physics, but at least the idea of science, they can get it. They will find interest here. Okay, now we are going to second question. Question 2, okay? Question 2A we did. And that day we showed you how to rearrange the formula. Today we will also give you something more, okay? There is one
So
technique.
should
Can you
wish,
repeat to
sir,
where
should I send it
because
to
I still
Group,
didn't
group,
understand.
yes. Yeah, look.
the class 7?
Hello. Yes, yes, class 7 group, please. You draw one triangle in your copy, okay? This way, the way I am showing you the triangle. Here is the triangle, and you write this way: V, V, then V times T. Okay, this triangle, rule will help you to rearrange quickly, easily. How? Like this one, how far does the car on the right have traveled in 1 second? That means you are going to find the distance, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Wait, wait. I am showing you again to do it again because there is little bit wrong in the formula. You see, the formula will be D equals V. You drew the triangle? So Hello,
Yes,
everyone.
sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
You did like before or you are drawing like now? The one
Sir,
the one you drew before, you cut that one and draw like this. This one. D will be at the top, then V multiplied by T. This way. Redraw and rewrite the formula this way. So now I am showing you how to get it easily from this triangle. Look, here we have how far does the car on the right travel. So you are going to find distance, right? Isn't it? So,
yes, sir.
so if you are going to find distance, the formula will be V into T. Look, it's coming from this triangle. D equals V into T. Okay? Now, if you are going to find speed, someone is going to find the speed, then what will be the formula? D by T. D will be D by T. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So this triangle rule will help you to get it easily. V equals D by T. You just remember how to fix the triangle. And if you want to find the T, then how will write? Can anyone tell me how will write T?
So what?
Sir, for T.
Yeah.
Sir, D. Sir, D divided by V is equals to T.
Yes, very good. So this triangle is giving you D by V, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
So do you think it is helpful for you? If you remember this triangle?
Yes, sir. It is easier.
Yes, so this one you just the triangle you remember, then the formulas will come easier. Now you do 2B, 2C and 2D now using all this formula. 2B, Pongti now you can do, right? Ruhi, Ruhan, Pongti, Shahadat, Rohan,
Yes, sir.
Saleha,
Yes,
now
sir.
you can do, right? Saleha,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sadika,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
all of you
Sir,
try.
can you explain it again?
Yes, sir.
Who is that? Saleha.
Yes, sir.
Saleha, why you are late to join? Saleha.
So, internet problem.
Okay, look, here we have this triangle rule. Okay, we are fixing the triangle in a way so that we can make the formula easily. Okay, we are going to find D and the formula is coming automatically V into T. Then we are going to find V. If you are writing here V, what is left? D and T left, right? So D by T. The triangle giving us the way, we are writing that way only.
Sir. Sir.
Yes, yes.
Sir.
Saleha. Yeah, Pongji, I will come to you. Wait.
Sir, Saleha came late, so I guess, sir, Saleha came late, so I guess we can ask someone to again send the screenshot of the attendance.
Okay, okay, okay. Now just a little bit. I am done almost. Look, the time we are going to find. So it will be D by V. Is it clear now, Saleha?
Yes, sir.
So this technique is helping you to get the formula easily. Your required formula, you can make the subject easily. Now we did 2A before, we are now doing 2B. We are going to find what? Distance, right? How far does
Yes,
the
sir.
car? So distance, you will use this formula, D equals V into T.
Yes.
So
Velocity is 10 meter per second and distance is 1 second. Number A.
so how we'll get it? 1b. What is the
D,
answer?
D is equals to 1B. Yes.
D equals V into T, right?
Yes, sir. V into T.
Then V into T equals what?
It 10.
V is how much? 10. Very good. Then 10 multiplied how
5.
much?
Multiplied by 1. 1.
1 or 5? For B, 1B,
Number, oh, 1B. Number 5. 5.
5 seconds. So we are
5.
giving here 5 seconds, right?
Is equals to 50.
Yes, sir.
So 50, what is the unit for distance?
For distance of velocity into time.
Yes, velocity into time, I know that. You also know that. I am asking you the unit. What should be the
Meters.
unit?
Oh, meter per second.
For distance, it is meter per second or meter only?
Sir, only
Meters
meter.
per second.
Only me.
Oh, only meter.
Sir, only
For
Only
distance,
meter.
meter.
Only meter. Only meter.
you should be very much careful about it. You don't say meter per second for distance. Meter per second is for speed. For time, it is second. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then 1B will do now. 1B we did, then 1C will do now. Okay, 1C. Again, same formula, right? We have to find the
Yes, sir.
distance for 1C. Then D equals what? V times T, right? Write the formula in your copy, everyone. You should write it. Then 10. Speed is 10. Then times, what is the time here?
10.
10. Then what is the total distance? 100, right? 10
Yes,
to the
sir.
100. 100 and the unit is
Meters.
Meter. Just
meters.
meter.
So is it very difficult?
Yes, sir. Only meter.
Yes, sir.
Is it very
No,
difficult
no.
question?
No, sir. No,
No,
sir.
sir.
So if
No,
you
sir.
get similar question, you can do, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now 2 or 2D. Okay, now we'll do 2D. I wrote here 1C. Actually, it should be 2B, 2B, 2C, right? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
You write there, 2B, 2C. Okay. Now we have, I am correcting it. It should be 2B, it should be 2C. Now 2D.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 2D, what can we write? What is the formula for 2D?
How long does it take to travel 90?
Velocity.
You are going to find what? Time, right?
Yes, sir.
So what should be the formula? T equals
Distance
Time
by
is
velocity.
equals to distance divided by volume.
distance by
volume or
Time equals
velocity?
to
Velocity, sir.
time
Velocity.
equals to distance by velocity.
Velocity,
Sir,
or you
9
can say
seconds.
speed. Okay.
Sir,
Same thing.
9
Then
seconds.
D. D is how much?
9 seconds.
No, I'm asking you. D is how much?
90.
Oh,
Yes.
distance is 90.
Then speed is 10, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Then answer is 9
9
90.
seconds.
and
Just
second.
second.
9
Yes.
seconds, sir.
So you got it right?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You try, huh? You try as much as possible at home. We will discuss those all questions in class in next. Okay? Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
You try as much as possible for 3,
Okay,
4,
sir.
5, 6, 7. And if
Okay,
you
sir.
can't, we will discuss. No problem. All the questions we
Okay, sir.
discuss in class. Now we will go to our next section 2.02. Okay, motion graphs. We have to learn also something new, right?
Yes, sir.
So you are done till 2D, right? All of you
Yes,
wrote?
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Very
sir.
good, very good.
Sir, I wrote ever up to 7 and I sent you a photo.
Okay, thank you so much. I'll check, no problem. You better send me an email, okay? Scan your answers and send me an email.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
It will be preserved. You know, Messenger is informal platform. Okay, motion graphs. Motion graphs means the graph when the object is in moving, right?
Yes.
Hello. When the object is moving, that time you are getting the graph. That is called motion graph. So uh, when the object is moving or you are moving, that time you are uh, passing some time, right? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
When you are moving, you are passing some time, and when you are moving, you are passing some distance.
Sir, distance by time graph.
Yes, distance time graph. We say distance time graph or distance versus time graph. Okay,
Yes, sir.
what we say, distance versus time or distance time graph. So distance time give us motion graph. Again, speed time graph also we get, right? Not only distance time, we also get speed time graph. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So in this section, we will discuss both speed time and distance time, both graphs. Okay, we will check out that the shape of the graphs, how it is helping us to understand the object moving with constant speed, or it is accelerating, or the object is stationary. We can understand easily from the graph. So let us start. Huh?
Yes, sir.
So, Shiraji, can you read from here? You can.
Okay, sir. You can learn a lot from motion graphs. They can tell you how far something has traveled, how fast it is moving, and all the speed changes there have been.
Okay.
Distance. Oh, okay.
Okay. So, one motion graph is giving you a lot of idea. Like you are sitting in a place, right? So, in your place, if you are sitting, your time is going or not going?
The time is going.
Time is going. So, time is going even if you are not moving, right? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So in x-axis we have you please take this notes. Huh? You please take this notes. We have x-axis and we have y-axis for drawing the
Yes.
graph, and x-axis is giving you independent values. I am giving it text, it will be easier for me to write. You write it, huh? Independent values.
Miss, what was the sentence?
I am writing. X-axis, huh? You just label the way I labeled.
So why give x-axis give independent values?
Yeah, x-axis is independent values. That means the value we are getting distance and we are getting time, right? So independent value means the one which is not depending on others. Like I gave you the example. If you are sitting, time is going, right? Isn't it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sir?
So if you are walking, that time is also going, right? Isn't it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So time does not depend on distance, but distance is depending on time.
On time. Yes, sir.
That's why we are saying time as independent and distance as dependent value. And
Dependent.
always this is
Yes.
rule for drawing graph, that we are drawing the independent values in x-axis and dependent values in y-axis.
Y-axis.
So write it, everyone. Here we are writing the dependent values. Dependent values, and here we are getting distance. Okay, because distance is depending on time. So is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So today you got this new, or you know it before?
Sir, in class 6 we read it once.
Okay, you got the idea about independent and dependent values?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Class 6 also, right?
So it's
So,
new.
okay, fine. Whoever got new or whoever got old,
No,
no
sir.
problem.
The name is new. Sir.
Okay,
Atik sir
fine.
taught us this.
Yeah, that's
Okay,
what I'm saying. The name is
okay,
new.
very good. Now, did you take these notes?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Excellent.
Yes, sir.
Now we are going for distance time graphs. Can anyone please read Saleha? Saleha, can you read it?
Yes, sir. Imagine a car traveling along a road. There is a lamp post on the road. Every second, the distance of the car from the post is measured. Distance and time readings are recorded in a chart and used to plot a graph. Here are the results from just the possible journeys. One is hardly journey at all.
Okay, so we are going to those graphs. Can we clean all the drawings? Did you take the notes, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay. If you are done, then we are going to next part. You see how graph is helping us to understand the things so easily. Look, we have here uh, four shape of the graphs. Okay, can you see all? I'm making it smaller a little bit. Look, the first graph is showing you the left side, the top one. You see, we are getting one straight line. Okay, this
Yes,
straight
sir.
line is less steeper than the steeper line right side, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Both are steeper straight line, but one is more steeper, one is less steeper.
Less
Yes,
steeper.
teacher.
So the more steeper one is showing you more speed.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and
The
less
left one,
steeper one is showing you less speed. Is it
the
clear?
left one per second it is going 10 meters.
Yeah. So without any value, like you are given here value, you are getting the all values, then you understand. But if you are not given any value, just you are seeing the shape of the graph, then you can understand which one is less steeper, that one has less speed, right?
Yes, sir.
And which one has more steeper graph, straight line, that one has more speed. And there is another thing, that is these two graphs both are having steeper straight line, right?
Yes, sir.
So steeper straight line is giving us constant speed. You said in one of the part that steady speed, right? Steady
Yes,
speed
sir. Yes,
means
sir.
constant speed or same speed. Always the car is
Always
going
in a no, in
with the
like
same
a
speed. Like
certain speed.
yeah, like 1 second it's going 20 meter. In 2 seconds it's going 40. It's in 3 seconds it's going 60. This way,
60.
yeah, this way it's maintaining one sequence. Like in for the
Same
first graph,
distance.
you are getting 1 second 10, right? In
Yes,
two
sir.
seconds you are getting 20. In 3 seconds you are getting 30. So every second is going 10 meter, right? So the
Yes,
speed is
sir.
here 10 meter per second. And the second one, every second is going 20, huh? Every second is going 20, 20, 20. All time is going 20. So its constant speed is 20. Is it clear now, everyone? Hello? Hello,
Yes,
everyone.
sir.
So we will discuss more details in next class. Okay, we have just a last minute now. All this shape
Okay, sir.
we will discuss in next class again, and we also have some notes. Thank you all for joining. Allah
Sir,
Okay,
Hafiz.
sir.
sir,
Assalamu
would you
alaikum,
keep
sir.
the recordings?
Yes, yes. Recording will be
Sir.
there.
Bye bye, sir.
Allah Hafiz. Allah
Bye
Hafiz.
bye, sir.